how to add collaboration in Instagram after posting. First, open Instagram. And once you're in Instagram, just go to your profile and find the post that you want to add collaboration to. So for me, I'm just going to use this video right over here. What you have to do is just press on the three dots right next to the video. Once you press on it, just go ahead and press on edit. And here, you will be able to see add collaboration option, but if you don't see it just like me, what you have to do is just go back and cancel it, because I know how to fix it. Just press cancel and then go back. And press on the three horizontal lines on the top. Once you press on it, you will be in the settings and activity area. But scroll down till the end until you see the option of help. So here, as you can see, just press on help and then press report a problem. Press report a problem without shaking, and then press don't include and continue. Now, you gotta explain to Instagram that you don't have the add collaboration button or anything just like related to it on your post after you posted it. So I'm just gonna write, hey Instagram, please fix my add collaboration isn't showing up on my post. And then just tell them that you don't want to delete your post and you don't want to repost it, so they could just actually fix your problem. You could just add some like something similar to it and then just do just like that, and then just press send. Once you've pressed send, here as you can see, it says the feedback has been sent, and they will respond to you within a day or two. And after that, it will be fixed and you'll be able to add collaboration in Instagram after posting. So yeah, that's it, and goodbye.